Blessed love, manners, and respect. Do give thanks and praise for life. This is the Mindset Program. IjahStars, I'm your host, and I'm here. It's a great honor to be here with the Honorable Muta Baruka.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Rastafari.
Yes, sir, give thanks. First and foremost, I want to congratulate you on your lifetime
achievement. Yeah, I respect.
Yes.
Man. But we don't get it yet.
We don't get it yet.
No, the 24th.
The mindset, thought-provoking, you know. I'm your host, Honorable IjahStars, and we're there with our brand new mindset series live on the YouTube. Subscribe, IjahStars Mindset channel, YouTube. Blessed love.
Mindset, manners and respect, give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. Zin, if it's the first time the item are tuning in, please hit that subscribe button so the item can get notified whenever time we put out a video like this. Great for have the item. Manners and respect. Who we are looking on today? We are looking on Busy Signal. Very prolific reggae and dancehall artist. I love the type of music that him put out there. Zin, I don't have any issues with his music. I don't listen to all of his music. You understand? But what more have to draw the item attention to is a statement that I come across that he make recently. Zin, in an interview, and I think that it needs to be addressed because it's not right when him going to say things like that. I don't know any Rastaman, and I know Busy grew up in Jamaica and probably grew up overseas also, Zane, like myself, but I grew up in Jamaica, Zane, and I've been around Rastaman. I myself is a Rastaman, so I know what it's like to be a Rastaman with locks. You understand? So, we hear Busy say, boy, him see some Rasta man will stop them youth from drinking them mother milk. I don't know no Rasta man do that. No Rasta man no do that. Me no know about that. Me no know about that because it better if Busy did say, yo, Rasta don't drink cow milk. Better if him did say that and him and Rastaman don't make him children them drink cow milk. Zin, that I want me know about. But when Busy I go say now, Rastaman no want them children to drink the milk of them mother. Nothing no go so Busy. You have to correct that. Zin, and we not there to bash you. Zin, and we not there to put you down. You make a mistake, Zin, and we have to correct that as a Rastaman. Right? So, no Rastaman no go restrict them youth from drinking them mother milk. Yes, Rasta would deal with vegetables. Right? We're not in the meat thing and the flesh thing and no. We're not in that. We're not in you have to kill for eat. You can plant and food come and you eat. You understand? Kalalo and pak chow, them thing there is nourishing. Them thing there is nourishing. Half of the things them where we see people are eat today. All of these genetically modified food. Zin, where I induce them with cancer, Zin, diabetes, and all other sickness. Right? So that's why Rasta say ital is vital. Very vital. Alright? So, my brethren, you have to correct that statement there. And not straying from the point, but Morgan Heritage sing a song. Don't have to be dread to be Rasta. That song is a big confusion. That song is a big confusion. And I agree to an extent that is not necessarily the locks on your head that make you a Rasta. But when Morgan Heritage them sing, you don't have to be dread to be Rasta. And the whole of them head have locks. Me not get the message. Zane, me not get the message because it's not number 6 make we grow locks. As far as I know as a Rasta youth, we grew up in a Jamaica. We come from in a Jamaica. See? So them statement that confuse a lot of people and a lot of youth. That's why I wanna go come and say, boy, him is Rasta but him not have no locks. See? Me not go dispute a man say, boy, if him is Rasta and him don't have no locks, because if you don't have no locks, then it going to be how you live. Zane? It's going to be how you live. Your livity. Go and prove to it that yes, the I is Rasta. The principle that you hold, the stance that you take. Alright? Yeah, Rasta in the heart, yes. But also Rasta upon the head, inner the head also. Because the locks go and define who you is as a Rasta. Because a one we see I up there, so I go up the road. And straight away, them familiarize with Bobo and them say, yeah man, is a Bobo that. See? But I could have my locks out on a particular day. And I want to say, boy, is a Rasta that. But then again, you have Rasta with a 12 tribe. You have Rasta with a Naya Bingi. You have Rasta with a Orthodox. And you have Rasta with a Bobo. So our one really go and know who is who. But at the end of the day, Rasta. You understand? And it's the locks go and make ones know that you are Rasta. Zane? And then when them forward and reason with the eye, them go and know from the reasoning that is a Rasta that. See? So the song where the virgin them sing, don't have a dread to be Rasta, cause a lot of confusion, make people come and talk all sort of things that them want to talk, Zine, and say all sort of things that them want to say. And we are talking about busy signal. Me I go drop the clip so the eye them can hear the clip for on self. Rasta with upon the thing here. Make me know if we busy signal did I say right or him wrong. Zine and on a bash we a bash busy signal, you know. We that call busy our brother. So we not bash him, but we just hear him make a little mistake and it need to be clarified. So, me know enough people go come and say, boy, hey, you're not Rasta, you're not this. So, the Rasta them with the out there, where you say, busy right or him wrong, with that statement here, take a listen to what the virgin say. Peace and love, you know, Rastafari. We're going to play 2, 3, 4 times. So, for the next upload, soon again, you know, I just start the thing vertical, Rastafari.
View on that it's wrong.
Yeah.
It's wrong for really force. I think just like some Rasta man who really would have forced them pitney for just eat bush.
Mm.
You know what I mean? You force your pitney for your pitney born. You don't want your pitney drink no milk out of the pitney mother breast. And you don't want the pitney to eat certain things. So the pitney just born and eat callaloo and lettuce. To me, that's wrong. You know what I mean?
I get you.
To me, that's wrong. In some ways. And me is a Rastafari in depth when it comes to certain things.
You're Rasta.
Well, I don't have no locks on them something because Rasta don't have nothing to do with locks. But at the end of the day, the heart meditate truths and rights and justice. Yeah, man. And self-reliance and education to a level. And Rasta the prefix in terms of leading.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And head off certain level. We respect that type of format.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm Haile Selassie teachings and Marcus Garvey philosophy and certain things. So we respect